When your Hyundai won't start and you hear no clicking sounds, the problem typically falls into three main categories. This is especially common in modern Hyundai models from 2020 to 2025 with smart key push-button start systems. Modern Hyundais include sophisticated starting systems with smart key technology, enhanced anti-theft integration, and advanced battery management systems that can complicate diagnosis. The problems break down into three categories. Battery issues are by far the most common, accounting for 60 to 70% of no-start conditions. Starter system problems make up 20 to 25%, while connection issues account for 10 to 15%. Battery problems are the leading cause of no-start conditions. A battery may show 12.4 volts at rest, but drop dramatically under load. High internal resistance develops as batteries age, and cold weather significantly affects performance. Internal resistance causes energy loss through heat generation inside the battery. This means the actual voltage available at the terminals is lower than the battery's rated voltage when connected to external components. Starter system problems account for about 25% of no-start conditions. The solenoid is the most common failure point, often starting intermittently before complete failure. Brush wear and mechanical issues with the Bendix drive are also common causes. Connection issues, while less common at 10 to 15%, are often the easiest to fix. Battery terminal corrosion is the primary culprit, but poor ground connections are frequently overlooked. These problems prevent proper current flow even with a good battery and starter. Voltage drop testing helps identify connection problems. This diagram shows how to test the ground side circuit, where readings above 0.2 volts indicate connection issues that need attention. Modern Hyundai vehicles have additional systems that can prevent starting even when the battery and starter are functioning properly. Enhanced anti-theft systems, battery management systems, and smart key requirements add complexity to diagnosis. Sometimes software updates are needed to resolve starting problems. Because of these multiple potential causes, a systematic diagnostic approach is essential for effectively identifying and resolving no-start conditions in modern Hyundai vehicles. The first step in troubleshooting a Hyundai no-start condition is verifying the exact symptoms. Listen carefully when you turn the key or press the start button. Next, check your dashboard warning lights and ensure you're following the correct starting procedure. Press the brake pedal firmly and make sure the gear is in park or neutral. Now inspect the battery terminals for corrosion. Corroded terminals are a common cause of starting problems and can prevent proper electrical connection. Measure the battery voltage at rest. A healthy battery should read 12.4 volts or higher. Use a digital multimeter for accurate readings. Perform a battery load test or conductance test. A battery may show good voltage at rest, but fail under load. Professional battery testers provide accurate performance measurements. Verify all connections are tight and clean. Check both positive and negative battery terminals and inspect the ground connections to the engine and body. Test the starter relay by swapping it with another relay of the same type, or use a multimeter to check for proper operation. The relay controls power to the starter solenoid. For modern Hyundai vehicles, use an OBD2 scanner to check for diagnostic trouble codes in the engine, body, and security modules. These codes can reveal hidden issues preventing starting. For newer Hyundai models, consider software updates or sensor recalibration. The brake pedal position sensor may need recalibration, and software updates can resolve some no-start conditions. If corrosion is found during inspection, clean the battery terminals thoroughly and apply dielectric grease to prevent future corrosion. This simple maintenance step can prevent many starting problems. Following these systematic troubleshooting steps will help you identify and resolve most Hyundai no-start conditions. Remember to work safely and consult a professional if you're unsure about any electrical work.